Did you know that $72 billion are spent on the weight loss industry in the US alone every year? And yet, the obesity rates continue to soar. In fact, more than 1.9 billion adults across the globe are overweight, and out of them, over 650 million are obese. In today's video, we're about to embark on a journey through the most potent, fat-burning foods that can revolutionize the way you approach weight loss. Say hello to a healthier, fitter you as we delve into the science, benefits, and practical integration of these superfoods into your daily diet. Get ready to unlock the secrets of fat-burning wonders. Without further ado, let's get started with the first 3 foods on our list. 1. Green tea. Green tea, often called an incredible elixir, is packed with powerful compounds and antioxidants. It contains a substance known as catechins, particularly epigallocatechin galat, EGCG, which has been shown to help boost metabolism and increase fat burning. One study found that combining catechins and caffeine in green tea can help individuals burn up to 16% more body fat than a control group. Catechins and caffeine in green tea work in synergy to enhance fat burning. EGCG aids in breaking down fat, making it available for energy. Consuming green tea regularly is a practical addition to a weight loss journey. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine is quite versatile. You can drink it hot or cold, use it as a smoothie base, or even incorporate it into your cooking, like marinades or broths. Aim for 2 to 3 cups a day to reap its benefits. 2. Cayenne pepper. Aside from its fiery taste, cayenne pepper is loaded with a compound called capsaicin. This compound is responsible for the spice and possesses thermogenic properties. Additionally, cayenne pepper is rich in vitamins, particularly vitamins A and C. Capsaicin, found in cayenne pepper, can increase metabolic rate, enhancing calorie burning. It also has the potential to reduce hunger sensations, thus aiding in weight loss. Incorporating cayenne pepper into your diet is easy and flavorful. Sprinkle it onto your meals, add it to soups or stews, or mix it into a savory smoothie. A popular option is starting your day with warm water, lemon, and cayenne pepper. 3. Whole grains. Whole grains retain all parts of the grain, the bran, germ, and endosperm, making them rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are more complex for the body to break down than processed grains, thus keeping the metabolism working harder and longer, aiding in fat burning. Due to the complexity of whole grains, the body expends more energy to break them down, leading to increased fat burning. The fiber in whole grains also helps you feel fuller for longer, thus reducing overall caloric intake. Swap refined grain products with whole grain options. Choose whole grain bread for sandwiches and opt for brown rice or quinoa instead of white rice. Incorporate them into baking or start your day with oatmeal or a high-fiber whole grain cereal. 4. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is low in calories and fiber, making it an excellent choice for weight management. It is also rich in vitamins A and C, contributing to its nutritional value. Studies have shown that grapefruit can reduce insulin levels, promoting an increase in metabolism, and aiding the body in burning more calories and storing less fat. Enjoy grapefruit fresh with a spoon. Use it in salads, blend it into smoothies, or squeeze it into juice. Half a grapefruit before meals can significantly contribute to feeling whole and consuming fewer calories. 5. Eggs. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food, rich in high-quality protein. They also contain essential nutrients like vitamin B12, vitamin D, choline, and minerals. Protein-rich diets, like those containing eggs, can enhance metabolic rate, leading to a higher calorie burn rate due to the thermic effect of food. Eggs are versatile and can be boiled, poached, scrambled, or used in baking. They can also be added to salad sandwiches or made into a protein-packed egg wrap. 6. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, are rich in dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are packed with antioxidants, which contribute to their nutritional value. The fiber in berries aids digestion, increases satiety, and prevents blood sugar spikes, thus stimulating the body to burn and store fat. Berries can be enjoyed fresh, mixed into breakfast cereal or yogurt, added to salads, or blended into smoothies. 7. Avocados. Avocados are a great source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, oleic acid, essential for energy, metabolism, and weight management. They also contain a range of vitamins and minerals. Healthy fats in avocados promote fat burning, keep you feeling full, and can help reduce overall calorie intake. Avocados can be used as spreads, added to salads, sandwiches, or smoothies, and even used in baking as a healthier alternative to butter. 8. Coffee. Coffee is low in calories and packed with antioxidants, providing several health benefits, including improved brain function and reduced risk of certain diseases. The caffeine in coffee can boost metabolic rate, increase fat burning, and enhance physical performance by mobilizing fatty acids for energy. Coffee can be consumed in moderation as a morning beverage or used in cooking and baking for flavor. 9. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein containing all essential amino acids. It's also gluten-free and rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Protein and fiber in quinoa aid in feeling fuller for longer, promoting weight loss and fat burning. Use quinoa as a base for salads, soups, or a healthier substitute for rice in various dishes. 10. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a rich source of protein, calcium, and probiotics. It's low in calories and provides essential nutrients necessary for the body. Protein in Greek yogurt boosts metabolism due to its thermogenic effect. It helps in maintaining lean muscle mass and promotes a feeling of fullness. Greek yogurt can be consumed plain, mixed with fruits or granola for breakfast, or used as a healthier substitute in various recipes. 11. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, making them a highly nutritious addition to your diet. The high fiber content in chia seeds aids digestion. It promotes a feeling of fullness, helping manage weight and burn fat. Chia seeds can be added to smoothies, sprinkled over yogurt or salads, or soaked in liquid to make chia pudding. 12. Spinach. Spinach is low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals like iron, potassium, and calcium, providing a wide array of nutrients essential for health. The low-calorie content and high fiber in spinach contribute to weight management and fat burning by promoting satiety and aiding in digestion. Spinach can be used in salads, smoothies, sandwiches, omelets, or sautéed as a side dish, making it a versatile addition to meals. 13. Salmon. Salmon is a rich source of high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Omega-3 fatty acids in salmon improve insulin sensitivity, reducing fat storage and aiding in fat burning. Protein content also boosts metabolism. Salmon can be grilled, baked, or pan-seared and served with vegetables or whole grains for a healthy, fat-burning meal. 14. Almonds. Almonds are a nutrient-dense nut, providing protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Almonds promote feelings of fullness and help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings and aiding in weight management and fat burning. Almonds can be eaten as a snack, added to salads, yogurt, or blended into smoothies, making them a convenient and healthy addition to your diet. Transforming your diet can transform your life. Powerful superfoods like green tea, berries, and eggs are delicious and can boost metabolism, enhance fat burning, and help achieve fitness goals. Incorporate these foods into your meals, experiment, and find what works best for you. Consistency and balance are crucial. If you're inspired and eager for more nutrition insights, like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's spread knowledge and embark on a collective journey towards better health. Here's to a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you. Stay tuned for more exciting revelations on our channel.